sur les talents. Allons-y. According to you, why do we speak about talent at Decathlon?
Well, I think that Decathlon is all about do what you love. And I really love what I do at Decathlon. So we talk about talent here because we work as a team in stores, but we are also recognized as an individual in the company. And when you know that you're working with your talent in the company, you know that you're working with pleasure and you love what you do. So when your talent is recognized, they can help you and your team to help your project in a better and efficient way. So it also helps us developing a good team bonding in the team, and you can all together help your project.
For you, what is a talent?
For me, talent is something I do effortlessly and I feel pleasure doing it. I feel satisfaction in that. I get joy, I feel happiness, and I don't need to do it with big efforts or I don't need to do anything extra for it. I just do it naturally and I do it many times and I enjoy doing it. So that's a talent for me.
So how talent empower your team?
So this will help my team basically to find the talent, because we are going into network organization now, to come in coordination with their talents and use this talent.
Yeah. So what does it bring to you to identify your talents?
It brings out the best in me because I feel confident, I feel more, I can trust myself more in that particular area, and I know that I'll do it better anyway. Even if I fail, I won't have to motivate myself, I'll do it automatically and I'll do it in a better way the next time I'll do it. I won't back down, I won't give up. So it brings out when I do something where I really enjoy, and it brings the better in me, the better or best out of me. So that's what brings it out.
Si tu veux quelque chose, va le chercher.